In this video, we introduce statistics for research specifically geared towards the tools and analysis offered within ARM. This is the first of a three-part presentation covering analysis of variance, mean comparison tests, and the assumptions of AOV to watch out for. This lays the foundation for the various data management and analysis features that can be used in ARM. The goal of research is often to determine whether treatments of interest perform differently. The choice of treatments could be different products, different formulations, or different rates of application. We want to know if those treatments can be distinguished from one another in their effectiveness, safety to the crop, or cost. Sometimes the hope is that performance is indistinguishable if your product is cheaper. Research trials are then performed to obtain observations of treatment performance. We call them assessments or ratings. But the question is, are the observed differences due to the treatments or due to random chance? If we could test in every field across the world, we would have a definitive answer. Of course, that is impossible, so statistics are used to provide an idea of how confident we can be in conclusions drawn from the results. You should not immediately jump to the analysis after recording data. Data confirmation is important to catch outliers and inaccuracies with the assessment data before analysis. The best way to ensure accuracy is by reviewing the assessment immediately afterwards, while still at the trial site. This way, any irregular values can be investigated and resolved. If you wait to input and review the data back in the office, these irregularities can only be ignored in the analysis, causing a loss in statistical power. The issues we are looking for may sometimes just be a typo from data entry. Or it could be an outlier, which is an observation outside the normal or expected distribution. But just because a value is unusual, does not mean it is not usable. Some discernment is needed to determine if the data should be kept or thrown out. Another tip for data accuracy: identify an acceptable range of values before the assessment is taken. Extreme values may then stand out during note-taking, cutting down on surprises at the end review. Learn about the tools in ARM for this process in the data confirmation tutorial.